The video you're watching is concerning Rust Legacy, a video game that was distributed through Steam from Christmas time 2013 to Christmas time 2016 on behalf of its developer, Facepunch. And I'm going to be talking about a downloadable copy that apparently exists as of today that you can get from a recent YouTuber that put up a link to it. And yeah, it's a repack of someone else's work, and it does work on my Windows 7 computer, which means it should work on anything you have. August 5th, 2026, Rust Legacy V25, which just means it was the 25th of some month, and it's showing 2026. Updated download by a YouTuber called Lil Adhen, linked to a liink, so it's got two I's instead of one, .uk linkage that then linked to a monetizzy link for 2026 that would lead to a 515 megabyte zip file called Rust Legacy. When I extracted it, it ended up being the standard 1 gigabyte or less file, usually, give or take. And this was a 2019 October 5th Rust version 25 again, plus sign FPS by Bullzher, which is a YouTuber that did it originally, with file dates that range from 2013, June 14th, way before it was released freely, to the year 2022, May 8th. So that's a pretty good time range. It's almost 10 years. Not in any particular order, but they look pretty much chronological. We have 2014 July 11th version in the bundles files. Data plugins are 2014 a little earlier, June 18th. And we have the 2014 version of EasyAntiCheat and the 2021 version of FShield. And a 2014 August 24th Dayzforlocos command, which has been found in previous versions where it said Bullzher. 2015 December 12th, 2015, Christmas time, data managed directory contents. And it referred to rustland.eu, which is a project that lasted on paper from 2016 to 2024, but it kept having the website go down and come back up and be sold off and rebought again by the same people. And a 2021 August 3rd install of the 2004 version of 3D Analyzer by Rodrigo Prada, which was in the original version of the Bullzher thing. The YouTube video ends in DWQ, and the channel is named Lil Adhen 8252, and it goes to a link that stacks to another link, which are very sketchy. And that's really about it. What is in it? It's a generic copy of Rust Legacy that works on most of or some of the servers. One of them banned me immediately for using this version for whatever reason. I was doing nothing. I was walking around, raiding boxes and doing nothing. I don't even think I opened a door or anything. So there's no real reason to flag or ban me, but the admin did for whatever reason. Probably because it's a bit different. I didn't activate EasyAntiCheat or FShield or any of those things, which is usually done by running the instructions in a command prompt. And the command for launching it included, originally it all being for a command file for running Dayzforlocos, which was probably a modded version of Rust Legacy to look more like Daisy. I don't know. Anyway, this is kind of a cobbled together one that's been bouncing around for a long time. And primarily the files are 2014 and 2015 versions of Rust Legacy, but it has files that are older and younger too. That's about it. Not much to it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that. And good luck. You'll need it. Bye.